We purchase food all the time, but do you ever think about where all the single-use packaging ends up? What about excess food waste? Our food often comes packaged in cardboard, plastic, or glass. Interestingly, this kind of food packaging has only been around for the last 5 or 6 decades. We surely have managed without it for a much longer period of time. Even if these are recyclable, a lot of it does end up in landfills or littered in the natural environment. And don't forget about the resource-intensive processes of producing all of this packaging. In addition, there can often be a lot of food waste at home, even if we actively try to prepare just the right amount. Shockingly, an average North American household discards approximately $150 worth of food per month. The culprits are often fruits and vegetables. In fact, even if we do everything possible to decrease food waste, there will still be food scraps that cannot be consumed. Now enter composting. Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter, such as food scraps, into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich soils and plants. Fondly referred to as black gold, compost is rich in nutrients and can be used for gardening, horticulture, and agriculture. These organic discards can be processed using industrial-scale composting facilities, smaller-scale community composting systems, in backyard composters, or in anaerobic digesters. Unfortunately, food that does not make it to a well-managed compost creates methane as it decomposes. Methane is a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. This is why it's so important to divert food waste from landfill and to compost correctly. Next time you are at a market, grocery store, school, or even in your kitchen, think about how you and your family can reduce your food waste or compost more.